Hello, guys, how are you doing today? Our lesson for today is about the letter I. Would you please say it? I, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So, what is the name of this letter? Excellent, it's this is the name. Hi, what is your name? My name is I. Is it a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound? Listen. I, I. Excellent, it's a long vowel sound. As in ice cream, island, okay? So this is the name of the letter. But what is the sound of this letter? Is it a, o, a, or I? Excellent, it's I, 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 I. Igloo, I, 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 igloo, igloo, I, I, p, I, egg, f, I, egg, l, I, p, d, I, egg, right? Pig, fig, dig, lip, lip. Okay, so when I say I, this is the name of the letter. But when I say it, as in igloo, this is the sound of the letter. So it is the short vowel sound. I is the long vowel sound. It. It. Long, short. Long, I. Short, it. Long, I. Short, it. Igloo, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. F, in, fin. P, in, pen. Okay?